The sound of gunfire in the Kiran sector near the LOC, where Indian soldiers are engaged in a bitter battle to repulse a Pakistani army-backed infiltration attempt. According to reports, this is no ordinary effort from across the border. Not just terrorists, but Pakistan Special Forces are also said to be involved. The battle has now raged on for 11 days. The Indian Army says they have gunned down 10 to 12 militants. Army Chief General Bikram Singh, however, says it would be incorrect to compare the situation in Kiran with Kargil. He said the Pak Special Forces and terrorists will be repulsed soon. Firing continued all through the night. The army is treading carefully in this sector. The army is continuing its operation for the 11th day.
It was an infiltration attempt by about 30 to 40 terrorists. They attempted this infiltration at 4 or 5 places. We had information about it. You would have heard the co-commander mention that in his press briefing. They have been stopped, prevented, they've been neutralized, some of them, and operations are on to flush them out.
In Kupwara district, army has foiled another infiltration attempt and have gunned down 3 terrorists. Combing operations are also underway in the area. Meanwhile, opposition leaders as well as some allies of the UPA have questioned the government's policy of engaging with Pakistan at this juncture.
सरकार से यह सवाल पूछना चाहता हूं कि जब इतनी बड़ी-बड़ी घटनाएं नियंत्रण रेखा पर घट रही हैं, तो बातचीत करने का तुक क्या था?
प्रधानमंत्री जी ने क्यों बात की? हम लोग तो इसी बात को शुरू से आपत्ति कर रहे थे.
Congress, however, said that dialogue with Pakistan should continue as complete disengagement is not an alternative.
इसमें पाकिस्तान सरकार जिम्मेदार है. जिस तरह से प्रधानमंत्री ने अभी यूएन में भी कहा कि नवाज शरीफ जी, बात तभी संभव है, मित्रता तभी संभव है जब आपको अपने धरती से जो सीमा पार आतंकवाद की कार्रवाइयां हो रही हैं उस पर रोक लगानी होगी और आतंकवादियों को प्रत्यार्पण करना होगा और उनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई करनी होगी.
Infiltration attempts by Pakistan-backed terrorists and its special forces was also the cause of much pandemonium in the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly, with many legislators raising questions about Pakistan's intentions. Bureau Report, DD News.